Hello my dear family members, today we are going to discuss Accenture versus TCS. Which one is better? Two corporate giants battling it out for the top spot. Now, which company is truly the reigning champion in the industry? Which one is better to join now? Where you will get most perks as a new joinee? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the scale. Accenture, with its extensive global network, is a powerhouse in consulting, technology, and outsourcing services. TCS, on the other hand, boasts an impressive track record as one of the largest IT service providers worldwide. In the global arena, the reach and workforce of a company are telltale signs of its influence and capabilities. Accenture stands tall with its staggering 742,000 employees, serving clients in more than 120 countries and operating in 49 countries across over 200 cities. On the other hand, TCS boasts a robust family of 6 lakh employees spreading its operations across 55 countries, showcasing its expansive global presence. Both companies have a massive reach, but who comes out on the top in terms of sheer size and influence? TCS stands tall with its own laurels, boasting a robust 9% increase in net profit and a slight 3.5% YoY revenue uptick to 61,237 crore. Both titans extend their colossal reach across the globe, but the question is, who truly dominates in innovation? When it comes to innovation, Accenture and TCS are in the constant race to push boundaries and lead the way in cutting-edge technology solutions. Accenture's commitment to digital transformation is evident in its $3 billion investment over 3 years in its data and AI practice. TCS is also not far behind, with its generative AI pipeline surging to $900 million and a record Q4 total contract value at $13.2 billion. These initiatives are not just reshaping industries, they are scripting the future of technology. But which titan is having best work culture? Now let's talk about the culture. At the heart of every great company are its people. Accenture and TCS are known for fostering diverse and inclusive workplaces that empower employees to thrive and grow. But who offers the best work-life balance, career development opportunities, and overall employee satisfaction? Well, I have my friends in both companies and I have gone through the reviews that both companies are great to work, but they are suggesting to start the career journey from Accenture and end with TCS. This will be better according to them. But what are the perks you will get as soon as you will get into the company? Accenture offers a choice of medical and dental plans, vision coverage, and wellness programs to support employees' health and well-being. In the other hand, TCS also provides medical, dental, and vision coverage along with wellness programs to support employees' health. And in Accenture, you will get one-time perks like up to 24k, and in TCS also you can get up to 40k, right? They also provides you the traveling allowance as well as the financial rewards. And in TCS, they also provide 16 weeks of paid maternity leave for birth parents and 8 weeks of paid time off for other parents. But the burning question remains, which company is the ultimate winner in the epic battle? The choice between Accenture and TCS will depend on the individual's priorities, preferences, and long-term career goals. Freshers and early career professionals looking for a well-rounded experience with a focus on work-life balance may find Accenture to be the better fit, while those seeking intensive training, rapid career growth, and lucrative benefits may be drawn to TCS. Up to now, I hope you got it. What's the better suit for you? So if you got it, then please write down what is your favorite company, what is the better suit for you, what is the best company up to now.